Surface tension. When we touch on a mercury drop with a needle, a dimple is formed and disappears when the needle is removed. Similarly, a steel needle placed on water surface may float even though its density is higher than that of water. The needle produces a depression on the water surface. From these observations, it is clear that the surface of the liquids behave like an inflated rubber balloon. So any liquid surface has tendency to shrink like an elastic membrane, and hence the surface is under tension. Cohesive and adhesive forces. The force of attraction between molecules of the same substance is called cohesive force. In the case of solids, the force of cohesion is very large, and due to this, solids have definite shape and size. The force of attraction between different kinds of molecules is called adhesive force. Molecular range and sphere of influence. The maximum distance up to which the cohesive force between two molecules act is called their molecular range. Molecular range is of the order of 10⁻⁹ meter. A sphere with a molecule as center and radius equal to the molecular range is called the sphere of influence of that molecule. Explanation of surface tension based on molecular theory. Consider a molecule A inside a liquid with its sphere